I never wear makeup. I use nothing more than the Cureskin product, and I love the way my skin heals. Hello there, my name is Badaplin. I'm from Meghalaya, and I'm here to share my personal experience with the Cureskin app. I have been suffering from cystic acne for almost a decade. In my teens, I have flawless skin, but when I reach my mid-20s, I don't know from where these cystic acne, they just pop up all over my face and my neck. They are not only ugly, they are very painful, which really worried me. So I tried with these natural home remedies. I avoid chemical products. My skin is so sensitive. I cannot even wear makeup. If I did, my skin will become worse. So I never wear makeup. I tried with the aloe vera gel. I tried with the oil cleansing method, which worked for others, of course, but not to me. I went from one skin specialist to another. It's just a waste. One day when I Googled for, of course, another home remedies, I came across this Cureskin app. I read the review, I checked the testimony of those people who have been recovered. I somehow convinced myself to give it a try. So I installed the app. I answered all the questions being asked me before the treatment. I installed my pictures, and the rest is history. They recommend me with 4 products: face wash, the moisturizer, the sunscreen, and the repair cream. And from then onward, I use nothing more than the Cureskin product, and I love the way my skin heals. You can see I have some of the marks here and there because my skin has become so worse that time. But now you can see changes, so much changes there. I love the way the whole team work. Whenever I have doubts, I just chat through the apps. Immediately they clarify my doubts. Dr. Cureskin Gomez, I am so grateful that she keep on following me up even now and then. And the way she explained the details of what my skins have been suffered, I love that. So she's being so honest. I appreciate Dr. Cureskin Gomez, the whole team of Cureskin. I actually did recommend to my sisters, my cousins, and some of my friends. They love Cureskin product, and they really do appreciate the whole team work. So I am going to recommend to those people who have skin issues, give it a try. It is a slow process for me. Yes, it is, because as I told you, I have been suffering with a very severe skin issue. So, but my skin really healed this time. It may be a low process, but trust me, it worked the way. So thank you, Cureskin, for transforming my skin again. Thank you.